In the next episode of the Uzik Sahar, Mariam will disappear. Before anyone gets the answer they expect from her, leaving behind a series of the recording that force Ayla and Jahan to follow the story. She was too afraid to tell face to face. Jahan will discover her a room empty and initially believe she was fled because she fears punishment. Ayla will notice something different. Mariam left clothes, money, and personal belongings behind, which means she did not plan the normal escape. On the table is a small recorded address to the Ayla. In the first message, Mariam says, by the time Ayla hears her voice, she has already unable to return. She apologizes for the pain she caused, but insists that everything she did came from the secret that begins long before their rivalry. The recording gives them a location where the second message is hidden. Jehan will hate the idea of following clues, believing it could be the trap, but the Ayla's argue that Mariam chose her specifically because she knows that Jehan would react with the force. Together, they will reach an old chapel outside the city and find another recording. This would mention Fayaz and the night when the child was taken away from one family and raised under the another identity. And the statement will be intentionally incomplete, creating a mystery without immediately turning into an obvious percentage reveal. uh, Mariam says that document were changed to the protect someone and people later killed to keep those papers hidden. Jehan will realize that whoever controlled the secret have actively still. The third clue directs them to the cemetery where the grave bears a name Ayla has never heard. Sadakat arrives before they can open the hidden compartment nearby. Provoking, she can already know about the place. She begins Jahan to stop saying Mariam does not understand what revealing everything will cause. Jahan refuses. Inside the compartment, they find a photograph of the several young people from decades earlier, including Sadakat, Mariam, Fayaz, and the man whose face has been crashed away. Ayla recognizes the same man ring from another old photograph in the mission. Before Sadakat can explain, Jehan receives a live video showing Mariam being held inside the unknown building. A distorted voice demands the photograph in the exchange for her life. Ayla immediately realizes that the recording was not simply a confession. Mariam was trying to make sure that the evidence survived even if she was captured. Jehan will prepare a rescue, but this time Ayla insists on being part of the planning because the kidnappers clearly know family habit. They arrange a false exchange, placing a copy of photograph inside the envelope and keeping the original hidden. And the episode could be end at the meeting, the point when the vehicles arrive and the Mariam is pushed out alive. Jehan moved towards her, but Mariam screams at him not to come closer.